She broke the code, so I decided to try it for myself. My own feather crochet extension at home. And it came out looking 10 over 10 plus 10 minus nothing. So if you want to learn how to do your own feather crochet at home instead of spending a lot of money just to get it, then continue watching. You're needing a crochet hook, a lighter, scissors. You need this type of thread. This thread is actually used for shoemaking and it's very strong. It's not like the regular thread, and a candle. Making the hair, you need somewhere you're going to tie your thread around. I'm using a wool thread. You need somewhere you're going to tie that around. After tying your thread and make sure that the thread is firm on the chair, then you want to start attaching your extension on it. So now when tying that thread on the chair or whatever you're using, you want to make sure that it's really firm. It's not something that is going to be moving around while you're working. You want to take a little piece of your extension, very small piece like so, then pass one side of it over the thread, then grab a little piece from it and use it to tie. After tying it, you want to make a knot like 2-3 times to make sure that it's really tight. I'm going to repeat the process one more time. Take a little piece of hair, pass one side of it over the thread, then twist it a little bit. After twisting, you want to grab a little piece of hair from that and use it to tie. After tying, then you want to go ahead and make a knot like 2-3 times to make sure that it's really tight. So when you're working with the hair, it's not going to loosen up. That will be it about the first part of this video. Then now we are going to move over to making the feather crochet. After I'm done with tying the hair on the thread, this is what it's looking like. I went ahead and applied some heat protectant on the hair because you want to go ahead and blow dry this. You want to make sure that the hair is looking smooth. So I went ahead and blow this out. I'm using a hand dryer to blow this out with a comb on it. If you don't have a hand dryer, you can also use flat iron, but on very low heat, because remember, this is a braiding hair. This is a synthetic hair. If you use high heat on it, it's going to burn the hair. This process is just to give the hair that shiny, silky look, so it will not look very obvious that it's synthetic braided hair. So after using heat on it, you can see the difference between the one that I have used the heat, how it's looking silky and shiny, and the other one. So this is what the entire hair is looking like. I went ahead and removed the hair from the wool thread. Then you want to put it on a flat surface where you're going to do the work. This is where we want to start using the thread to attach the two extensions together to give us that feather crochet. When cutting the thread, you want to make sure that it's longer than what I just did right now. I'll explain that later. You want to fold the thread into two, then use your crochet needle, pass it through the loop you made on the extension, grab the thread and pull it through one side of it. Then do it on the other extension. So you want to be working on two extensions at a time. After you pass the both of the extensions, you want to go ahead and tie a knot. Make sure that knot is really tight. Then after tying the knot, try to attach the knot area into the loop so it doesn't show on the extension. That is very crucial. You want to be very careful when you're doing this. If not, you're going to not only burn yourself, but the thread is going to break. Now you want to pass that over the candle just a little bit, like 3 seconds, and go ahead and use your finger to fold that. It's not that hot if you don't leave it for a long time. If you leave that for a long time, it's going to burn and the thread is going to break. So you want to go ahead and do exactly what I'm doing right now. Pass it a little bit, use your fingers to squeeze it. Go ahead and pass it a little bit, use your fingers to squeeze it. This process is a little bit tedious. You need to really want to do this for you to be able to achieve the entire extension. Like, to tell you the truth, I can see why these extensions are expensive. If an entire bundle is hand tied, then they have the right to be expensive. This actually took me hours to do it. It's tedious work, to tell you the truth. Now I wanted it to be coily, so I went ahead and used this flexi rod to coil them. After attaching everything, I'll use the flexi rod. I'll apply a little bit of mousse on it. Then I'm actually tying two of the extensions on one flexi rod. That is 4 different strands on one flexi rod. to give me the coils that I was going for. Now when I'm rubbing this on the rod, I'm twisting it a little bit because I want the kinky look. So you go ahead, you want to twist and wrap, twist and wrap, twist and wrap. Then at the end, I'm going to use a little bit, a small rubber band to hold that. When making the coils, it all depends on the coil you're going for. If you're going for a kinky look, you want to make sure that you're twisting before wrapping and you want to make them tighter together. But if you're going for a loose coil, you don't need to twist before you wrap. Just wrap it loosely around the rod, then secure it with a rubber band and you will be good to go. So this process is just repeating the same thing all over and over again until the entire extension has been put into the rod. Then after doing that, you want to put this into a bowl and pour in some hot water. Like the water needs to be hot for the coils to set. So I'm just putting this into a bowl, then I'm going to pour the hot water on it. Then make sure that the hot water gets onto all the extension. Doing that, let that sit and dry a little bit. You don't want it to be completely dry before you start removing the rods from the hair. And this is what the coils are looking like. Like these coils came out so perfect that I myself am even shocked that I did this at home. Please guys, give me a thumbs up on this video because like just take a look at these coils and let me know what you think in the comment section because I am amazed. I don't I'm confused. I'm just speechless. So I went ahead and cut off the fly with the ends of the hair because most of the time these ends are the ones that make your hair to tangle very fast. And this is what it's looking like. I just made my own feather crochet, guys. We're wanting to do this viral miracle knot hairstyle out there. So I finally did it and it came out looking so beautiful. Like don't let anyone discourage you. If you see something on the internet, learn it and try it for yourself because this is going to save you so much coins. Now for the tutorial on how I attach this on my hair, I'm going to be doing a full tutorial on that. Maybe it will be the next video or some other time, but I'm going to be uploading that after maybe next week to show you how I was able to attach this onto my hair. And this is what it's looking like. Beautiful, 10 over 10. And the colors, like I'm so excited. I decided to try the hairstyle. So if you try it, let me know in the comment section. And in this video, I'm going to be tackling, I think it's Lovett Speak because she's the one that broke the code of this. Like this is going to make you save some coins because I use expression braiding hair. I use 1.5 pack of the pre-stretched hair. But if the normal crochet hair that you're going to stretch it yourself, I think you're only going to need 1 pack of hair. Just the fact that I was able to do this myself and I finally did the feather crochet hairstyle. I was so excited. I was playing with it and it is not painful at all. Like I styled it in different ways and it was looking so beautiful. I went ahead and put it in a ponytail. I went ahead and put it in 2 pigtails. I like, guys, you can hear this from my voice. I'm so excited I was able to try this. So when you look at it, don't just try it and let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, give me a huge thumbs up and let me know what you think in the comment section, and I will see you very soon. Bye bye.